Sir, those dignitaries are present in this occasion, and my dear children, I, Sasabhasan Patnaik, headmaster of this school, feel proud and privileged to welcome all of you in this glorious moment. I would like to present a brief note on my Govinda Chandra Deva Jilla High School, Raigada, in this occasion. This institution was established in the year 1938 with the land donated nearly 12 acres by the then Jamidar of Bishamgada, Sri Govinda Chandra Deva, and first batch of matriculation appeared in the year 1948. Now student strength of the school is 732 and there are 24 teaching and non-teaching staff to facilitate these students. Apart from formal education, we have activities under NCC, both A wing and Army wing for boys and girls, Eco Club, Science Club, Legal Literacy Club, Energy Club, Scout and Guide, JRC, Games and Sports. Students of this institution represented in the state as well as national events. Alumni of this institution made its name and fame proud. Some of them are Honorable Retired Justice Odisha High Court, late R.K. Patro, ex-Minister Forest and Education of Odisha State, late Ramachandra Ulaka, retired Professor of Usmania University, late A.M. Raju, Sri Shishir Kumar Dutta, IPS, IFS, and many more who are working as doctors, engineers, judicial magistrates in this state and outside. I myself feel proud to be a student of this glorious institution during 1978 to 82. This year, our state government made its 5th high school transformation school in second phase by transforming 3 classrooms in smart classroom, e-library, science laboratory, drinking water facility with RO plant and toilet facility. I hope by getting these modern facilities, my students will flourish in the future. I thank from the core of my heart His Excellency Honorable Governor of our state to select this institution for his interaction with our children. Thank you, sir.